Did you know people with diabetes are more prone to respiratory risks? This is a significant health concern that researchers at the Weizmann Institute of Science have been investigating. They found that high blood sugar levels in diabetics can disrupt key cells in the lungs that regulate our immune response. This disruption can make individuals with diabetes more susceptible to severe lung infections. The researchers conducted a study involving diabetic mice exposed to viral lung infections. This scenario mirrors the risks seen in diabetic humans. What they found was alarming. The immune response in the diabetic mice was severely impaired. This impairment led to uncontrolled infection and lung damage. It's a sobering discovery that underscores the potential dangers that diabetics face when it comes to respiratory health. So, the takeaway here is that high blood sugar levels in diabetics can lead to severe lung infections. It's a revelation that could have profound implications for the hundreds of millions of people living with diabetes worldwide. But how exactly does this happen? Let's dive into the cellular level. The researchers from the Weizmann Institute of Science meticulously analyzed over 150,000 single lung cells from both diabetic and non-diabetic mice. They discovered that high blood sugar levels in diabetic mice disrupted the function of something called lung dendritic cells. Now, these cells are crucial as they orchestrate a targeted immune response against infections. But there's more. The researchers found that the sugar metabolism in diabetic mice was altered. This alteration led to the accumulation of byproducts, which in turn disrupted gene expression and the production of immune proteins. This disruption is detrimental as it prevents these cells from activating the crucial immune response needed to fight off infections. So what does all this mean? In simple terms, high blood sugar levels can disrupt the immune response at a cellular level. This makes individuals with diabetes more prone to severe lung infections. Now, is there a way to mitigate this impact? The researchers from the Weizmann Institute of Science have explored a few promising strategies. One of these includes maintaining tight control over blood sugar levels through insulin supplementation. This approach has shown promise in allowing lung dendritic cells, those responsible for our immune response, to regain their ability to generate a protective response. But what about those who struggle with normalizing their sugar levels? The scientists have discovered that administering small molecules to reverse sugar-induced regulatory impairment can correct the dysfunction. This could enable these cells to mount a formidable defense against viral infections, even in the presence of high sugar levels. The implications are vast and could lead to a significant reduction in susceptibility to respiratory infections among individuals with diabetes. In conclusion, controlling blood sugar levels and exploring novel treatments could protect individuals with diabetes from severe lung diseases associated with viral infections.